Here's how to fix Cash App won't let me receive money. The first thing you need to do is open up the Cash App on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap on your profile icon in the top right-hand corner. From here, scroll down until you find the option for limits and tap on it. Inside this section, you'll be able to see the different transaction limits associated with your account. Look for the section that shows how much money you're currently allowed to receive. If you've already reached your receiving limit for the month, you may not be able to accept any additional payments until your limit resets. Even if you haven't reached your current limit, there's another important thing you should check, and that's your identity verification. So, if your identity hasn't been verified yet, go ahead and follow the instructions shown on your screen. You'll need to provide the requested information and complete the verification process. Once your account has been successfully verified, you can go back to the previous screen. Go back into your Cash App settings and scroll down until you find the section for linked banks or linked accounts. Open this section and make sure you have an active debit card connected to your Cash App account. If the debit card linked to your account has expired, has been removed, or you don't have an active card connected at all, this could potentially be causing issues with your account. After checking all of these, if you're still unable to receive money after trying all of these steps, go back into the app and scroll down until you find the support section. From here, look through the available support categories and select the option related to payments. Then, choose the option for receiving payments. From there, select Receiving a Payment. Now, you should find an option to contact support or start a chat. Tap on this option to open the support chat. Once the chat window opens, explain the problem you're experiencing to the support team. You could simply send a message saying that you're unable to receive payments on your account and would like them to check if there's an issue. A support representative can then review your account and let you know if there's a restriction, verification issue, or technical problem preventing you from receiving money. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.